Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we're going to troubleshoot this SWAGTRON. This one's SWAGER 5. So the customer is stating that it won't power on, and let's go and then try it on for you guys to see. So the power button's right here. Normally you press and hold, it's supposed to power on. So let's go and then connect to the charging port right here. Going to plug this in. And it shows green right away. So this is kind of the rules. Customer stating that they replaced the battery before, so going to open it up on the bottom and check if the battery is still good or not. I probably need to unscrew this screw right here, and then the other one on this side. Before they have 4, I guess customer lost all 4 of them, and then the silver one's a replacement. Alright, so I'm going to remove the bottom plate right here. There's like a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 of those Phillips screws that I need to remove in order to get into the battery pack. Yeah, you could tell the battery's bulged. Oh my God. This is the controller box. So this is the charging port right here. And this is the power. Go to the controller for the motor and everything. Alright, so I'm gonna disconnect the battery and then check the voltage real quick. So the battery pack, you gotta remove 4 screw, mounting screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, the problem is the battery itself. So yeah, this battery is pretty expensive. So anyway, I'm gonna let the customer know that the battery's gone and need to purchase a brand new one. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, always. Peace.